This presentation is part of Forseti Consult's Expand and Finance services and is a part of a more comprehensive service package. This presentation looks at only one hypothetical scenario, namely that of expropriation without compensation of assets owned by a Finnish company by the South African government. Having in mind that such an action will be infringing upon the terms of the Finnish-South African Investment Protection Treaty, we deem it improbable. However, we include it in our service presentations to provide our customers with the arguments necessary to persuade their future EU business partners of the safety of doing business within South Africa. The Finnish-South African Bilateral Investment Treaty entered into force in 1999. It is valid for 20 years. Neither side may withdraw from the treaty until it runs its course in 2019. Further, the protections acquired by investors under the treaty run for 20 years from the end of the expiration of the treaty. In the unlikely event that the South African government would breach its obligation under the treaty, the Finnish company may bring action before the Washington-based World Bank arbitrage. The arbitrage is not bound by the laws of South Africa, and the arbiters sitting on it are not allowed to be South African citizens. The arbitrage will decide two issues. Firstly, if there is infringement of the investment treaty, and secondly, how much money should the Finnish company receive. The first issue is pretty straightforward. If the South African government has expropriated property of the Finnish company, in this case a land lease, without paying fair market value in foreign currency, the treaty has been infringed upon. Once this is established, the arbitrage will make an independent assessment of the damages caused by the South African government and will issue an award. The award is enforceable in 158 countries, including the United States and all EU member states. If the South African government refuses to honor the award, all payments to its foreign accounts will be frozen. Should the government want to pay to anyone or be paid outside of South Africa, the money will be intercepted by the correspondent bank and forwarded to the award holder until the award and collection expenses have been paid in full. For any further information on this subject, please contact your lawyer.